Good day everyone. We are the Group-3. I'm Kim Howard D. Reyes.
I'm Elijah Adel Besigan.
I'm Jonathan M. Baroka.
Kisha Macy Pelesar.
I'm Maxwell Clarence B. Manala.
Video, we will show how to make and, or, and not logic gates using breadboards, ICs, and LEDs.
Logic gates are the foundation of digital electronics and computers.
Breadboard used to place and connect component. 7408 and gate used to get output on only when both inputs are on. 7432 or gate used to get output on when at least one input is on. 7404 not gate used to invert a signal on to off. LEDs used to display the output. Resistors used to protect LEDs from burning. Jumper wires used to connect inputs, outputs, and power. Power supply used to provide electricity to the circuit.
First, you need to place IC 7408 in the middle of the breadboard. Connect DCC to positive power line and GND to negative power line. Place LED on the component line away from our IC. Longer legs towards the IC and shorter leg away from the IC. Connect pin number 3 or output 1 to the longer leg of the LED. Connect resistors from shorter leg of the LED to the GND. Green wire as input A, white wire as input B. Connect both power lines and connect the battery.
Put the input A to 0, the result is 0 and the LED will not light. When we put the input A to 1, the result is 1 and the LED will light. When we switch the position of input A to 1, the result is also 1 and it will also light. When we put the input A back to 0, the result will be 0 and it will not light again. First thing to do is to place the 7432 IC in the middle of the breadboard. Next is connect the orange jumper wire to both positive lines. Next is the green wire as input A, and we will connect it in pin 1 in the IC and connect it to the positive line. Next is connect the orange jumper wire to both negative lines. Next is the white wire as input B, and we will connect it in pin 2 after the green wire in the IC and connect it in the negative line. Next is connect the black wire to pin 3 after the white wire in the IC and connect it vertically to the other side. Next is connect the blue wire to the VCC in the IC and connect it in the positive line. Next is connect the other blue wire to the GND in the IC and connect it to the negative line. Next is to place the LED light on the component line away from our IC. After that, we need to connect the orange wire to the positive line and connect it in the GND in the Arduino board. And also, we need to connect the black wire to the negative line and connect it to the VIN to the Arduino board. Next is connect the resistor from the shorter leg of the LED light and in the GND. Last is we need to connect the battery in the Arduino board in order to power up our LED light.
This is the truth table for the OR gate. 0 and 0 gives 0, 1 and 0 gives 1, 0 and 1 gives 1, and 1 and 1 gives 1. Place the IC in the middle of the breadboard. Connect VCC to the positive power line and GND to the negative power line. Place LED on the component line away from the IC. Longer leg towards the IC and the shorter leg away from the IC. Connect pin number 3 or output 1 to the longer leg of the LED. Connect resistor from the shorter leg of the LED to the GND. Green wire as input 1, white wire as input 2. Connect the power line, positive to positive and negative to negative. Connect the board to the power source. With an OR gate, if either input is 1, the LED will light up. It only stays off if both input is 0.